Welcome back, guys. Want to make cooking easier? Today, I'm showing you 7 kitchen gadgets that save time and effort. From a potato peeler to a dumpling maker, these tools are kitchen must-haves. Let's dive in. And links in description below. This is the electric potato peeler. For just $19, makes peeling effortless and hands-free. Simply place your fruit or vegetable, press the button, and let it do the work. No need to hold or touch anything. The Rotado Express stays securely in place, ensuring a smooth, mess-free experience, and comes with 2 spare blades stored underneath for long-lasting use. Need precision? The included thumb knife helps with expert paring on delicate areas. This is our patented rotating chicken rack. Made from true 304 stainless steel, priced $39, this ultra-durable 1/16-inch thick rack won't rust, bend, or break. Perfect for barbecue, smoking, and grilling. Its rotating design lets you move pieces for even cooking, while the space-saving round shape fits more chicken. No drip tray here. Juices hit the flames for maximum smoky flavor. Get the ultimate chicken leg and wing rack today. This is the household double-head automatic dumpling maker. Makes it quick and effortless. Made from food-grade ABS and 304 stainless steel. It's durable, BPA-free, and safe to use, with non-slip rubber pads for stability. This tool lets you wrap 2 dumplings at a time, cutting your prep time in half. Simply place the dumpling skin, add your favorite filling, press down, and you're done. Perfect dumplings in seconds. Plus, it's versatile. Use it for empanadas, momos, samosas, mini pies, and more. Easy to clean and beginner-friendly. This must-have kitchen gadget is now available for just $9. Grab yours today. Corn cob stripper. With its effortless twist and push design, you can remove kernels in seconds. No knives, no mess. Priced $9, the stainless steel blades are hidden inside, making it completely safe for kids to use, while its compact size fits easily in any kitchen drawer. Plus, it's top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Perfect for fresh salads, soups, or freezing for later. This must-have gadget makes enjoying corn quick, safe, and fun. Grab yours today and make meal prep a breeze. This 4-piece wine opener set makes opening bottles effortless. No pulling, twisting, or broken corks. It includes a bottle opener, foil cutter, vacuum stopper, and aerator pour for a smooth, fresh pour every time. Price $9, made with durable ABS and a food-grade Teflon needle. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and perfect for wine lovers. Upgrade your wine experience today. This is the pineapple core remover, makes peeling, coring, and slicing pineapples effortless in seconds. Price $12, just insert, twist, and pull to create perfect rings while keeping the shell intact for serving. With its stainless steel design and ergonomic handle, it's easy to use, clean, and built to last. A must-have for any kitchen. Get yours today. Rice dispenser, durable, heat-resistant, and designed to lock in freshness. The airtight bamboo lid with a food-grade seal blocks moisture, while a built-in thermometer monitors storage temperature. Price $76. Enjoy mess-free dispensing with the precision flow valve. Just attach the measuring cup, rotate, and pour. The scratch-resistant glass is easy to clean, and its sleek, stackable design fits any modern kitchen. Elevate your storage game.